So now that we've gone through the phases of a marketing project, we thought it would be useful to go back and talk a little bit more about some other specific tactical tools that you can use and how they fit into your strategy. So I'm going to hand it back over to Laura to give you a few of those examples.
Yeah, choosing which tool to use in your marketing campaign is a critical component, and there's different costs associated with these. So again, we thought we'd give you a little bit more insight into what some of these tools might be and when you might consider them. And sometimes it's a combination of many of these different things. So the first one, always have your technology marketing summary. That's that description of the technology, put it on the web. If you're going to any events, either local economic development events or any kind of trade shows or conferences, you want to print these descriptions out and either have them as a brochure or just a one-page flyer to be able to hand those out and have hard copies ready to go. Always make sure you've got them on your website and leverage your website the most you possibly can, not just for the technologies, but also your broader capabilities so that you are attracting people so that they will find you and find out about this technology. And also social media. How can you use that to drive people to your website and give them more information? We'll delve a little bit deeper into the social media in a minute. You can also use any kind of articles or papers that the inventor is writing, or maybe you might decide that an article in a specific journal makes sense because that's where your targeted audience is, and you want to make sure that they see information about your technology. And all of those types of written articles or papers can also be leveraged through your social media. Now, success stories and awards are something that you think would happen after your commercialization activity, where a success story would be the description of how you license that technology out, and an award might be something like an R&D 100 award for the technology and would include its successful commercialization. But in many cases with technologies, it's not just a one-shot deal where you're only licensing it once. So you may succeed in getting one licensee, but still want to get additional licensees. By using the success story, you can attract people back to that technology and show the value that it's got and therefore increase their interest in it. But it will also help in giving you credibility for your program as a whole. When you do succeed in licensing a technology, it shows that your organization has technologies of value and knows what they're doing. And so as other technology marketing activities occur, you can rely on this built-up credibility through your success stories and awards to help you. And the conferences and trade shows that we talked about before can be very costly, but if you choose them well, that they are very focused in having the right people that you want, either many of them going to one conference or the entire conference is everybody you want to reach, then it actually can be cost effective. But you'll have to judge that based on what the technology is, who the players are that you've identified, and whether the cost, again, that return on investment that Danielle was talking about of that particular effort is going to be a good payback for you.